Hello everyone, I'm Katie and welcome to my Patreon. I'm going to pop up some slides and let you know what all the tiers are about in a few seconds, actually maybe a minute or two, but a little bit about me. I have been an artist for as long as I can remember. I create with lots of different things, and so my Patreon will be videos and podcasts and sneak peeks, and I will show you more of my process that I don't share completely publicly, because it's how I create what I do. So I will be showing those kind of things, and I'm really excited to share it with you. There will be digital downloads from my archives for one of the tiers. There'll be new ones for some of the higher tiers, because I have been creating digital downloads since 2013. So I have a huge archive of items that have been in my Etsy shop that are no longer in my Etsy shop, and or that just have never even been posted to my Etsy shop. So as I said, I have a large archive of all kinds of printables, from planner pages to journaling cards to collage elements, all kinds of stuff. So I'll be sharing those with you as well. They'll come out once a month. I'm going to be doing a bi-weekly voice-only podcast that will come out twice a month, and I'm really excited about it, and I'm excited to share it with you. And yeah, let's look at the tiers. Alright, I'm going to pop the tiers right here on the screen. The first one is the Daisy tier. You'll get a monthly calendar printable, sneak peeks of new art, and the bi-weekly podcast. The second tier is the Carnation tier. You'll get everything from the Daisy tier, plus an exclusive video each month, 10% off of all items in my shop, a digital download from the archives. It's a win-win. The third tier is called the Rose tier. You will get everything from the previous tiers, the Daisy and the Carnation tier. You'll get an exclusive printable, 15% off of all items in my shop, and I'm going to try to post a tutorial video at least once a month, maybe every other month. It depends on how detailed those tutorials are, and there'll be a poll up to see what kind of tutorials you would like to see. The fourth tier is called the Bouquet tier, and you get everything in the Daisy, the Carnation, and the Rose, plus you get a mini mail package mailed out every month, and it'll be 2 to 3 items: postcards, sticker sheets, bookmarks, vinyl stickers. There may be something even better in there. Different things. It's going to be 2 to 3 items from the shop, or actually not from the shop. They're not going to be in the shop. They're going to be Patreon exclusive, and I'm really excited about that. So it just means I'll be creating something new every month, and there'll be some little sneak peeks of it, but nothing to really ruin the surprise. And then we will be, those items will be sent out the first week of the following month. So like if you subscribe June 1st, your package will be sent out the first week of July. And then, so if you subscribe in July, your package will be sent out the first week of August. So that's how it works. That way, all the money comes in, and I'm able to purchase all the things that we'll be sending out each month. So I'm really excited. And that tier is going to be limited. There is a limited number of slots for that, because I can only package so many items myself. So take a look at the Patreon and let me know what you think. I look forward to having you join. One of the things that Patreon is that you can change your levels. You don't have to stick to the same level every month. So if you decide it's not for you, you can choose. So you're not stuck in anything, and I'm really excited to see you there.